Assalamu alaikum friends. If you want to hide your friends from Snapchat so that if you open an account, your friend is not visible, then in this video I will tell you how you can hide your friends from Snapchat account. So let's go from Snapchat account. Open your chat. Click on your friend if you can hide. Click on its profile. Here you can see three dots at the top right corner. Click on it. Now you can see the chat setting. Click on it. Here you can see different options: pin conversation, chat delete, pin shortcut, home screen. You can apply if you want. I can apply clear from feed chat feed. Click on it. Are you sure you want to clear this chat? Yes, I'm sure. Clear. Go back. You can see your friend is hide from your friend list. If you want to chat again, then search your friend. Click on search box and write its name, and you can see your friend is here. You can chat again. I hope you like this video. You are able to hide your friends from Snapchats. Thanks for watching.